The days grew short, the nights grew long. The forest felt more quiet than song. Leaves fell slowly, one by one. The warmth was fading with the sun. The grasshopper stopped, he looked around. Something felt different now. The grass turned pale, the air felt cold. The songs he sang felt far and old. He searched for food both here and there, but empty fields were everywhere. He remembered the sunny days, the dancing, the playing, and the time he did not prepare. The ants stayed calm, their home was tight. They worked together day and night. Their food was stored, their hearts were kind. They planned ahead with steady mind. The ants did not laugh, they did not scold. They simply listened. They shared their food, they shared their space. The grasshopper felt warmth and grace. I've learned, he said, both soft and true. Next time I'll plan the way you do. When spring returns, the ants all smiled. Each season teaches, gentle and mild.